Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost, my dear friends. I am back again with one very important news for all of you. Now this news is coming from ADA, Aeronautical Development Agency, which is an agency by Ministry of Defense, Government of India. Now they are conducting walk-in interviews for the recruitment of project assistant, but on a tenure basis. Now they are inviting application for project assistant 1 from meritorious Indian national. Candidates who fulfill the educational qualification and requirement can attend the walk-in interview. Okay. They may also conduct a written test because it is written walk-in interview / written test with duly filled application and testimonial. Now, for mechanical production, metallurgy, material science, they have 23 vacancy and date of the walk-in interview or the written test is 4th of September. Aeronautical, 2 vacancies, 7th of September. Civil, 2 vacancies, 7th of September. CSIT, 25 vacancies, 11th of September. Electronics, EC, ETC, Triple E, EI. Okay. That is electronics, electronics communication, telecommunication, electrical electronics and electronics instrumentation. 48 vacancies and the interview will be on 14th of September. The eligibility is either you must be BE, you must be BTech, you must be ME, you must be MTech or BSc plus MSc. Okay, for BSc it is not applicable. BSc plus MSc can apply. In case of more number of candidate, if more people apply, they will conduct a written test for screening of candidate for interview and interview may be extended to the next date. In case you have to travel for this, plan for 2-3 days because they might also conduct a written test. For criteria 3, written test is mandatory and candidates qualifying the written test will be allowed for interview. What is criteria 3? B BTech in first class from a recognized university. Okay. So, subject to serial number 1 to 5, B BTech in a first class from a recognized university plus a valid GATE score or B BTech or plus ME MTech in first class from a recognized university. B BTech in first class from a recognized university plus 2 years post qualification experience. See, essential qualification is basically the first thing. Either you must be BE or BE or BTech along with a valid GATE score. That is the first possibility, that you have a valid GATE score. Okay. Otherwise, you are a BE BTech and ME MTech. You have done your bachelor's and your master's in first class from a recognized university. The third category is BE BTech from a recognized university plus 2 years of experience. Either BTech plus GATE score, BTech plus MTech or BTech plus 2 years of experience. Okay. Criteria 2 for serial number 5 and 4 and above. 4 and above is BSc plus MSc. Okay. Computer science, info science, infotech, both in first class from a recognized university plus a valid and qualified GATE or NET score. For JRF lecturership conducted by UGC, CSIR or 2-year qualification. That is computer science and electronics. BSc can also apply, but they must have BSc plus MSc, they must have a valid GATE or a NET score. Okay. For serial number 5 and above for electronics, BSc plus MSc from a recognized university plus a GATE and NET score conducted by UGC or 2-year qualification. See, for 4th and 5th, what they are saying is they will also allow BSc plus MSc. Okay. BSc plus MSc with a valid GATE or NET score or otherwise BSc plus 2 years of post qualification. Okay. BSc plus MSc with 2-year qualification. Either you must have a GATE or a NET score or you must have 2 years of experience. Criteria 3 for serial number 1 to 5 and above, BE BTech in a recognized university. BE BTech from a recognized university you need. Stipend. Stipend for 1 and 2. Stipend for 1 and 2, that is BE BTech plus a GATE score. Okay, or BTech MTech or a BTech plus 2-year experience or this BSc MSc. The criteria 2 is 37,000 plus HRA. Okay. For criteria 3, somebody who has just done their BTech, for that the stipend will be 31,000 plus HRA. So for 1 and 2, that is either you are a BE BTech plus GATE score, BE BTech plus MTech or BTech plus 2 years experience, or you are a BSc plus MSc with a GATE score, or BSc plus MSc plus 2 years experience. In both the cases, the total amount will be around 47,000. But if you have just done your BE BTech, nothing more than that, then in that case, beta, your stipend will be 39,000. If you do not have a valid GATE score, you will have to undergo a written test. So written test is mandatory for people who does not have a GATE score. Okay, so let me summarize what is happening here. BE BTech plus GATE score, BE plus MTech, or BE BTech plus 2 years experience. You do not have to give a written test, but if the candidates are very large in number, then you will have to give written test, first thing. But if you do not have a GATE score, you are just a BE BTech, then you must give the written test, that is mandatory. If you are a BSc plus MSc, either you must have a GATE score or a NET score, or you must have a 2-year experience. Then also you can skip the written test. Okay. Procedure for attending the walk-in interview or written test: you have to bring a neatly typed application form, that is your biodata, resume, as per the format available on ADA website. The website is ada.gov.in. Format is available. Type the resume in that format and bring it along with the latest passport size photograph, original certificate, mark sheet with self-attested copy, original as well as self-attested copy. Venue will be walk-in interview at the specified dates. Dates I have already told you, at the ADA campus, Suranjan Das Road, New Thipasandra Post, Bengaluru. Okay, reporting time will be between 8:30 to 11 a.m. Okay, downloading the application format and general condition for walk-in interview, you have to visit their website ada.gov.in. Okay, so I hope this is clear. If you have any queries related to this notification, do let me know in the comment section of this video. And beta, you can get in touch with us if you are preparing for GATE 24 or 25 using the WhatsApp number 70890475561. Just message on that WhatsApp number. We'll be happy to help you. We'll be happy to guide you. All your queries you can ask us on our WhatsApp number. And in case you wish to join Examdos, you wish to make us a partner in your journey, you wish to take this journey with us, do message on our WhatsApp number. We have some exciting offers and exciting discount for all of you. Also, we have a GATE 24 test series running on the platform, which is available, which is open for all the students. You just have to visit the Examdos app or website, and you have to use the code AnkitESC to get 10% discount on the test series. Okay, so that's it from my side. All the best to all of you, and thank you.